we have, if we talk about shares and dividend. Right? So what is share? Oh good, I have to come this second. Okay, so share and dividend. What is share? जैसे suppose there is a company, right? This is the company. इस कंपनी में there is a owner. This is owner of the company, right? He invested, initial investment he did. Initial investment he did, right? With the grace of God, he get initial investment. After that, he get loan from bank also. Bank gave loan, right, to run this company. No need to talk this. I'll send you a video. So bank gave loan to company, initial investment he made, right, and company starts. Soon he come to know that he needs more funds. He require more funds. Require more funds to increase business. इस business means each and everything, wealth, profit, right? All these things come under increased business. Means all wealth of the company, reliability of the company, market of the company, volume of the company, all the things he wants to increase with this, right? So for this purpose, he require more funds. So what he gave, he collect money from market, right? अब ये जो ये कलेक्ट इसने मार्केट से पैसा किया, फॉर दिस दिस कंपनी शुड बी रजिस्टर्ड इन सेबी, सिक्योरिटी बोर्ड एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ इंडिया. सेबी में इसका होना चाहिए रजिस्ट्रेशन. देन दे कैन कलेक्ट मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट. फिर यहाँ पे क्या होगा, फिर ये ओनर नहीं रह जाएगा, फिर यहाँ पे चेयरपर्सन हो जाएंगे. और he will have always, chairperson should have greatest number of share. तो इसके शेयर हमेशा 51% रहेंगे, तभी ये चेयरपर्सन रहेगा. बाकी जितने भी शेयर्स होंगे, जो पब्लिक के शेयर्स होंगे, वो 49% होंगे. ठीक है. अगर गवर्नमेंट इन्वॉल्व हो गई तो गवर्नमेंट कई बार अगर खरीदती तो गवर्नमेंट के शेयर बढ़ जाएंगे, इसके कम हो जाएंगे, लेकिन पब्लिक के शेयर हमेशा कम रहेंगे, राइट? इससे क्या होगा कि ऑलवेज जो चेयरपर्सन है, सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी रिमेन्स ही ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंपनी. जनरली अगर एक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड मतलब प्राइवेट कंपनी है, पब्लिक सेक्टर की कंपनी है, तो उसमें क्या है, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर तो आता नहीं है, तो उसमें जनरली 51% ओनर के होंगे, 49% के ही कैन टेक द शेयर फ्रॉम द मार्केट. सो दिस इज, ये जो कलेक्शन ऑफ मनी होता है फ्रॉम मार्केट, दिस वी कॉल्ड शेयर. This we called share. Share is generally allotted in multiple of 5, 10 or 10 or 10. Like a share can have a cost of 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 25 rupees, 30 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, like that. This is what we call, this is allotted. जो allotment value at the allotment, value at the time of allotment is equal to NAV, nominal price. क्या? Nominal price. Nominal price, or it is called, or face value. Face value, right? What I told you, this is the nominal price or face value. This is at the time of allotment, right? When share allotted, so everyday change, in the market, everyday change in market known as market price. राइट? तो ये नॉमिनल वैल्यू हो गई और ये मार्केट वैल्यू हो गई, राइट? अभी क्या होता है, फिर क्या होगा कि नाउ मार्केट वैल्यू, इफ इसको बोलते हैं नॉमिनल वैल्यू ना, एनवी, nominal value is less than market value. क्या? Nominal value is less than market value, या market value is greater than the nominal value, then it is called at par. Above par. Sorry, it is called above par. Above par or at premium. Right? Above par or at premium. You can write this. At premium or above par. When condition is like this. Now we have, if nominal value is equal to market value then it is called at par, right? And when nominal value is greater than market value, right? So it is called below par. Below par. On which product companies gives discount? On which type of products companies gives discount? New products पे और चलो न्यू क्लोज टू एक्सपायरी और सिंपल सा फंडा है. Those which are not doing good sales in the market, not moving in the market, to give them flow, you offer discount, right? So since this share market value is also nominal value is greater than the market value, it means it is not doing good in the market. To boost up, they are giving it. So they called it at discount, right? If a share is having market value is less than the nominal value, then it is at discount, at premium, or at par. These are the conditions, right? So this is we have about the shares. Do you understand what is the share? Share is money collected from the market and it is in multiple of 5, 10, 15. मतलब अगर आपने if you applied, if you invest 10,000 rupees, with an NV of NV is equal to MV is equal to 250 rupees, तो क्या हो गया, ये कितने हो जाएंगे? 40 शेयर्स. आपको 40 शेयर्स मिल जाएंगे, राइट? 40 शेयर्स मिल जाएंगे एट 250 रुपीज. MB और NV जो बराबर है, तो ये मल्टीपल हो गया 10 का, है ना? इस तरह से यूनिट अलॉट, ये 50 शेयर्स हो गए आपके. 50 शेयर्स में से अब जैसे जैसे राइस कम होगा ज्यादा होगा तो आपकी वैल्यू कम ज्यादा होगी, ठीक है? सो दिस इज द मार्केट फंडा वी हैव. सो एक तो ये हो गया आपका. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. यू हैव रिटन दिस. ओके, फॉरगेट, डोंट राइट. चलो, बट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स यू राइट. अभी तक इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम, राइट? ओके, फिर देयर इज अगेन वी टॉक अबाउट little bit about company. So what company is? Company is what? This is the company, right? Right? Companies में क्या होता है? vendors समझते? No. जैसे if we talk about Tata Motors, तो Tata Motors, suppose they are bringing manufacturing cars, right? They have engine they are building, but in a car there is glasses, है? There are glass are required in a car. Car is like this. What? You know, a car is like this. This is car. So car is making engine is there, but these जो इसमें यहाँ पे glasses लगे हैं, that it is not manufacturing. Tata is not manufacturing glasses. Glasses he is taking from some vendors, some other company. Glasses from other companies. Glasses were like, you know, tires they are taking of some other company. Tires, right? Like जो इसमें screws लग रहे हैं, right? Screw or other handles. They are buying from some other companies. So they are known as vendors. If Tata is manufacturing a car, so they are also get benefited. They are selling their glasses, their tires, their screws to the company. So they are vendors, right? Then we have, you know, employees. What are employees? Employees are also very much interested. Employees, their families are attached to their family. Employees get salary by which run their families, right? So they are getting benefited. They are selling, bulk selling they are getting, right? Bulk selling. These vendors are getting bulk selling. These employees are getting salary, right? So they all are always well-wisher of the company. Yeah, they will be well-wisher of the company. Well-wisher of company. They always think for good health of company, right? In economics we call them, they are stakeholders. What? They are stakeholders. Right? They are well-wisher of the company. They are thinking about the company. They want their company should grow. Right? That will give, you know, if their company will grow, then their income will grow, then they can do better they will have better socio-economical condition and all this. They will have. And उसके बाद आता है एक जो कि it's very, you know, biggest problem. Whereas this is what we call shareholder. Shareholder what did he do? He invests money. He invests money only for profit. Only for profit. Right? Shareholder invest money he invests money only for profit. For profit. उसको प्रॉफिट चाहिए होता है. शेयर होल्डर ने अपना पैसा मतलब a person invest money in the company. If his money is growing, then fine. If it is not going, he will withdraw his money. He least bother whether what will happen with the company. Right? So, and these stakeholders can be shareholders. Stakeholders can also purchase the share of the company. Sometimes company by force sold them. Ki every employee has to purchase 100 share of the company in employees quota. So they give them some rebate, like 20%, 30% rebate they give, and they say ki everyone has to purchase, right, for raising fund. Otherwise, this stakeholder can be shareholder, but shareholder cannot be stakeholder. Kya? But shareholder cannot be stakeholder. Shareholder very rarely become well-wisher of the company. It is supposed to be, right? He always thinks for his profit. If he get profit, then fine. If he's not getting profit, he withdraw his money and put it somewhere else. So, to keep the interest, अब कंपनी क्या कहती है? कंपनी whatever profit it earns, profit earned by company profit earned by company shared by employees with employees in the form of बोनस. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बोनस. Right? Bonus. Bonus means company give them share their profit with employees. Share profit with employees. There may be chances these vendors also get benefited, give them some shares free of cost, right? So basically जो bonus is given to the employees, but they have to take care. Basic पैसा तो 49% money is invested in the company of the shareholders. So whatever profit company is earning, that it has to share with the shareholder also. But that we call profit with the shareholder is no profit with shareholder. Profit with shareholder as dividend. As dividend. It is in the form of dividend. And it is there are two conditions with this. First, in percentage only. Percentage only. Right? And second, on NAV. NV. Nominal price. Face value. Value of the share at the time of allotment. On that, it is dividend is given. Dividend is given on the percentage only and on NV. Nominal value. Right? This is the dividend. So dividend is what? Dividend is profit share by the company with shareholders. Right? Whatever profit company is sharing with the shareholders, that is called dividend. You get that? So this is the dividend. This is the stakeholders. These are the shareholders. All these things should be done. Now you are not very much concerned with all these things, right? So always if it is written rupees 120 at 5%, rupees 100, right? इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि जो इस समय इसकी कॉस्ट है, MV is 120 rupees, dividend is 5%, and NV is 100 rupees. 100 rupees share is at the cost of 120 rupees with a dividend of 5%. Right? This is the meaning of this statement. Right? This is market value. This is, oh sorry, we write like this. Sorry. Rupees 100 share at 5%, rupees 120. So this is NV, this is dividend, and this is MV. मतलब rupees 100 share at 5% dividend with market value 120. We read like this. Sorry, I was sorry what I did earlier. But now we can write like this. Right? You can write rupees 50 at 2.5%, rupees 45. What is the meaning? NV is rupees 50. Dividend is 2.5 and this is market value. Market value. Right? So this share is at discount. You get it? Market nominal value is greater than market value. So this share is at discount. Right? anywhere. Discount. And this share is at premium. Premium. Rupees, right? So premium means market value is nominal value is less than market value. So it is at premium. So this is we have, right? This kind of term you can see. So this is we have about statements, and now we have formulas, right? So formulas are money invested is equal to number of shares into market value, or you can say, if we call n, matlab number of shares is equal to money invested upon market value, or you can write market value is equal to money invested upon number of shares, right? Then we have another formula that we called dividend or income or return. Right? Dividend or income or return. They all are same thing, right? They sometimes question they can ask you in the form of income, in the form of return, but you have to use the same formula, that is number of shares into dividend percent into NV upon 100. Full, no problem at all. Whatever they ask, dividend, income, return, you have to use this, right? So this is we have second formula, and the last one is return percent. Kei baar they can ask return percent, or they can ask profit percent, right? Profit percent, just to make you confused. So return percent is income, matlab dividend upon money invested into 100%, right? This dividend is called income, so sometimes you can write here income also, income, or you can say return also, right? Return percent is equal to dividend upon money invested. Dividend can be called income or return upon 100%. This is the third formula we have, and the last one is, which is, two so this is to you know, return percent into MB is equal to NV into dividend percent. You get this? What I said?
Return percent into MV is equal to NP into dividend percent.
Right. So here is given you what? By using this you can get the return percent. This statement is saying rupees 100 share at 5% dividend is at rupees 120. Right? So you can use this and get the return percent. What is the return percent for this? Return percent is equal to NV 100 into 5 upon 120. You get this? How much you are getting? 24. 24 divided by 100. How much you are getting? Percentage. What percentage you are getting? $100 divided by 24. It is 4.16666, so we can say 4.17%. So return is 4.17%. Right? Return is 4.17%. This is we have. Right? And for this one, return percent is for this return percent is 50 into 2.5 upon 45. Is it? So it is how much? $125 upon 45. Right? So how much it is giving you? This is 25 and this is 9. So it is around 3%. So return percent it is giving good. So what we get? We get, 25 divided by 9. 2.77, मतलब 2.8% return is there. No. 25 divided by 9. Two times 9 becomes 18, I was correct. It is approximately 2.8%. So this is the return of this share. So obviously this share is giving you good returns. Right? This is how you can compare the returns of the share. You get this? So these are the formulas. This is how we do that. Right? And you will use these formulas to solve the questions, right? Okay, so you should call off.